Hey guys, what's up? This is UK with a new tutorial in Tableau. So guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a map in Tableau. Suppose we have a data of a large data set of e-commerce company in which we define the sales of a different countries. Like suppose it is basically a motorcycle based data which has a different sales record on all the countries like New York, California, countries like USA, UK and France, and also different territories like California, you can say state California, Madrid, or many all the part of the world. So how you can display on a map? So Tableau make it simpler to how to display this data on a map to find the accurate sales from the different continents or from the different countries. So how we can use it? So simply basically this is a data which is imported from Excel. Simply go to your worksheet. First of all, I want to make a map, so I need a country. So I have a country attribute there. I just drag it and paste it, so it's give me the data which I have. It's from Spain, it's from Italy, it's from United States, Canada, also some part of Philippines, and also Singapore and Australia too. So this is where basically the country map. Now we want to get the state like territory, so we simply drag it there. So it is right territory which the sales has been recorded, like Italy, that EMEA, because these were the abbreviations that we have used most of the uh, most of our domains, like most of the countries. Like first our focus is how we can show the sales of the different countries. So simply there's a sales column, we just drag it and shift to color. Like yes, it's got a color like how because basically dark blues represent the high sales, and light blues represent the low sales. So basically this is basically a colorful diagram of the map, but we want actually a value. Like we want to see the values there. Okay, how much? Yeah, we can go the cursor and mouse for we can see that, but no, but we want the exact value. So we simply drag sales and put and label. So these are all sales, like how much sales we have get, or other countries, all over the countries, like 188, 288, 630. So basically this is a simple map generation from simple data to show you. You can show it to your clients and they were also happy. And also you can change the color. Like suppose you want to change the color, simply go to color, edit colors. You can choose any color you want. You want orange base, so it was also great. So you have to define dark blue, red is low, orange is some medium, and blue is high. So basically this is basically a simple Tableau tutorial to display data on a different maps. So basically Tableau help us to create this type of data in just few seconds. Like if you work on it, so you can just create in on a 10 to 20 seconds. So it will help you. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If I did, please give us a like, and don't just like my friend, hit the subscribe button below so you can never miss an update. And also I will make future tutorial on Tableau, so please subscribe to my channel. So guys, thanks for watching and you guys tutorials.